Hey guys, James Paradise. Here we are. Look at that Caribbean Ocean right there. 7 different shades of blue and green. That is one of the most drop-dead gorgeous oceans in the world. It's not an ocean. It's called the Caribbean Sea, and it's in Mexico. So we're about 30 minutes south of Cancun, Mexico, one of the #1 tourist places in the world. And it's busy here. You know why? Everybody's leaving the USA, and I'm going to show you and tell you exactly why you might want to take a trip here and check it out, because I live on what most people make in 1 hour. I live every month for the cost of what most people make in 1 hour, and I'll explain that in this video. You will love this. Keep watching. Smash the like button, help me out with the Google algorithm, and cheers, baby. Subscribe. It's free. Click the subscribe button, and at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a little bonus, and I'm going to show you exactly what you can do to start making money the way I make money, which is online. And I'm talking about $1,000 to $3,000 daily living in the Caribbean. Keep watching. Okay, so guys, listen, the #1 way to make money right now, it is January 31st. Tomorrow's Monday, February 1st. If you did not make in January, if you did not make a minimum of $10,000 to $15,000 a month in January, you need to listen to me very closely. and listen to me correctly. You need to start selling products online. I'm telling you, man, listen, it's the #1 business in the world. If you're not making money online, you're out of your mind. You're insane. You're stupid. You're an idiot. You're a retard. Don't be a retard. You want to do 3 things, and I'm going to show you what those are here in a lot of different videos on my YouTube channel. I have many playlists, but this playlist is all about making money, doing 3 things. My 3 simple step system. Hola, look at that little girl. Hola, amiga, how are you? ¿Cómo estás? Hello. She loves me. It's like my new girlfriend, right? I'm in Mexico, on the Caribbean. So check this out. You want to post an ad, you want to sell a product, and you want to get paid. Let me say that again. It's that simple. Post an ad, sell a product, get paid. The #1 way to do it is with Amazon. Amazon is exploding. It's the richest company in the world. So you got to follow me right now. So this is what I've perfected over the last 3 years since 2017, actually going into 4 years. I sell hundreds of thousands of dollars of products on Amazon every month. I sell the most popular products, okay? So products like necessities of life, food, water, people buy liquor, baby food, dog food. Basic necessities of life is what I sell. Amazon pays me anywhere between 1% up to 18% commission depending on my volume. Meaning, if I sell a lot, then they pay me a higher commission. So let me give you a quick example, okay? This out. So people like to buy luxurious things, right? Expensive Rolexes. So I'll sell Rolexes on Amazon, nice $5,000 Submariner, right? And rich people buy that stuff, and then they pay me a commission. So on $5,000 Rolex, they'll pay me a 5% commission, which is $250. But I'll sell 20 a month. So how much is that? $5,000 a month. That's what I can show you how to do. That's the first thing. Okay, let's go. Oh! The second thing is selling necessities of life, basic stuff, water. If you don't have water, you're going to die, right? People buy water, they ship it. Amazon ships it. This is not drop shipping. Forget that crap. All you want to do is post ads and send traffic, which is people, to Amazon, the #1 company in the world online to buy products, and they will pay you a commission. I will sell $1 million of dog food in 2021. And they will pay me a 5% commission. What's 5% of $1 million? $50,000 I will make minimum. I'm probably going to make double that, over 100 grand, just selling dog food on Amazon, because I know how to send the traffic to Amazon. I know how to get people to click on my ad, and Amazon will pay me a commission on every sale. Are you interested in making $50,000 a year just selling dog food? If you are, click on the link in the description below this video on YouTube, or just send me a comment. Send me your name, your mobile number, country code, and your email, and I'll get you on a live call and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, we are here in Mexico, in the Caribbean, on the beach at Kentucky Fried Chicken. Check out my baby hat. Look at this hat that I'm wearing. I know I look ridiculous, but check out that little baby boy right there. That is my 6-month-old baby boy. I had him 6 months ago during the COVID-19 coronavirus, and now it is February 3rd, 2021. And I got a question for you. How much money have you made in 2021? How many bank deposits do you have in your bank account in 2021? If it is not $30,000 or more, you need to contact me right now, because I have 5 bank accounts where I've already received over $50,000 in the month of January in 2021, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. You like that shit? Let's go, baby. And that's why I'm living in the Caribbean. Keep watching and smash the like button and subscribe. You're going to love this shit. Keep watching. I'm telling you, I'm going to show you how to make $50,000 a month. So, here we go in Kentucky Fried Chicken.